took a walk in this beautiful world. Felt the cool rain on my shoulder. Found something good in this beautiful world. I felt the rain getting colder. Sha la 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 la, sha la 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 la, sha la 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 la, sha la 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 la. I miss Anthony Bourdain. There, I've said it. The place is poorer for not having him around, and he did some great shows. He was good friends with Josh Homme and Mark Lanigan of Queens of the Stone Age, and they wrote this theme song for him for his series called Parts Unknown. It's a great piece of music. It's just, it's simple, but it's a little bit of a finger twister. It's got attitude. It's got everything going on. It's very short. It's very simple. Take you through it right now. Download your chart if you need it. But we are running through just a few basic chords here. We're starting on the D bar chord, 5th fret A string, 16th notes, down, up, doing A string, G string, back to A string, then you go to the 7th fret B string, then we go to there. Now when you get to this note, you've got to shift your hand position. So I jump across to my 3rd finger to play that root note again, because then on the D string you're going 5 to 3. So it's like this. Then we're on to the G. Over to the C. Back to the D. And then it does this little, starts the riff again. That little bit there, you're just fretting both the A and the D strings on the 3rd fret, then hammering up to the 5th fret. Or is it a hammer, or you play it again? You play it again, it's not a hammer. And then we land on the D bar chord, and the strumming rhythm here doesn't really matter. You just hit a power chord and hang on to it. Don't play all your higher notes because you just want a power chord sound. Sha la 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 la, up to the F power chord on the 8th fret. Back to the C, sha la 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 la, sha la 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 la, sha la. Second time round, you go back here again and land on the D. That is it. That's the entire piece of music. It's a great piece of music. It brings to mind kind of Pixies and Stooges and old kind of 70s New York rock kind of sounds, but it suited the song and it was perfect for the show. Play it through once for you, one more time, and it starts with that C and just slides up to it. Thanks for watching. RIP Anthony Bourdain and Mark Lanigan. There it is, parts unknown.